Hello, guys, what are you doing? Why today you are not coming in the class, Jack? Is there any problem?
Oh hi Alice, I'm fine, thanks for asking, but today I'm not done my homework, that's why I'm not coming in the classes. So was today you did these classes or not?
Yeah, I did, and nothing happened in the classes. Oh Barney, how was your music classes? Daisy said you are living bossy in these days. I am thinking that you have some problems with your teacher, she said to me, but don't worry what your sir said to, don't feel bad.
No Alice, this is not right. I made a project, but because of their experience they don't understand how was this project. Experience was good, but enough good to judge anything, which things basically they also don't know. But guys, I forget everything that has happened to me. Faisy said you this, it's okay, let's do something today, why not? We are going for watching movies.
Yeah, I am ready. Okay guys, meet me at 5 o'clock into the hall, and Jack, you are also coming. I don't want any excuses, please guys, come on time. Bye. Bye.
I think Barney Alice was not there, let's go, she will come in the mall.
John, how we can believe on Alice that she will come or not? She said but she is not there, she is lying to us, John.
Hey, guys, where are you coming from? I am coming from the market. So guys, today I am not free, I have to a lot work, so sorry guys.
It's okay if you have to do some works, we are also not free and we are coming from your Andy house. I am always thinking not to believe on girls, and today I got on this point, so Alice, you don't want to come, then go to hell.
Bye bye Alice.